Welcome to CBSE Class 9 Economics. It's time to test your understanding of the story of Palampur. This quiz includes important multiple choice questions from the full chapter, based exactly on the CBSE syllabus. Think carefully, choose the right answer. And let's see how well you know Palampur. Start the quiz now. Multiple choice questions with options and explanations. Question 1. Non-farm activities include small-scale manufacturing, transport, etc. Options. Option A, shopkeeping. Option B, horticulture. Option C, animal husbandry. Option D, agriculture. Correct answer, option A, shopkeeping. Explanation. Non-farm activities are activities that are not related to growing crops. Shopkeeping involves buying goods from markets and selling them to people. Horticulture, animal husbandry, and agriculture are all farm activities, so they are not correct here. Question 2. The purpose of this story is to introduce some basic concepts relating to Options. Option A, consumption. Option B, diversification. Option C, demand. Option D, production. Correct answer, option D, production. Explanation. The story of Palampur explains how goods and services are produced using land, labor, capital, and enterprise. It helps students understand how production takes place in a village economy, so production is the correct answer. Question 3. The story is of a hypothetical village called Options. Option A, Amravati. Option B, Palampur. Option C, Kanpur. Option D, Boisar. Correct answer, option B, Palampur. Explanation. Palampur is a hypothetical or imaginary village created to explain economic concepts clearly. It represents a typical Indian village and is used only for learning purposes. Question 4. Is the main activity in Palampur. Options. Option A, horticulture. Option B, pottery. Option C, farming. Option D, khadi making. Correct answer, option C, farming. Explanation. Most people in Palampur depend on agriculture for their livelihood. Land is widely used for growing crops, making farming the main activity of the village. Question 5. Production activities can be divided into and Options. Option A, farm and non-farm. Option B, skilled and unskilled. Option C, low income and higher income. Option D, urban and rural. Correct answer, option A, farm and non-farm. Explanation. Production activities are grouped into farm activities such as farming and animal husbandry. Non-farm activities such as dairy, shopkeeping, transport, and manufacturing. This division helps us understand different types of work done in a village. Question 6. Labor means Options. Option A, tools and machines. Option B, sophisticated machinery. Option C, people who will do the work. Option D, raw materials. Correct answer, option C, people who will do the work. Explanation. Labor refers to human effort used in production. It includes workers, farmers, drivers, shopkeepers, and teachers, people who actually do the work, not machines or materials. Question 7. Physical capital is required at every stage during production. Options. Option A, variety of inputs. Option B, variety of outputs. Option C, goods and services. Option D, commodities. Correct answer, option A, variety of inputs. Explanation. Physical capital includes tools, machines, buildings, and raw materials. These are inputs that help in producing goods and services at different stages. Question 8. Dash, comma, dash, and dash are examples of fixed capital. Options. Option A, tools, money, buildings. Option B, tools, machines, bungalows. Option C, tools, machines, buildings. Option D, raw materials, machines, buildings. Correct answer, option C, tools, machines, buildings. Explanation. Fixed capital includes items that are used again and again for a long time. Tools, machines, and buildings are not used up quickly, so they are called fixed capital. Question 9. Simple tools include dash. Options. Option A, farmer's plow. Option B, tractors. Option C, machines. Option D, trucks. Correct answer, option A, farmer's plow. Explanation. Simple tools are basic and traditional tools that need human or animal effort. A farmer's plow is a simple tool, while tractors and trucks are modern machines. Question 10. Yarn used by the weaver and clay used by the potter are examples of dash. Options. Option A, working capital. Option B, floating capital. Option C, fixed capital. Option D, human capital. Correct answer, option A, working capital. Explanation. Yarn and clay are raw materials that get used up during production. Such items that are used again and again and finished quickly are called working capital. Question 11. Land and production is dash. Options. Option A, fixed. Option B, excess. Option C, less. Option D, fertile. Correct answer, option A, fixed. Explanation. Land is a fixed factor of production because its quantity cannot be increased. No matter how much we try, land remains limited. Question 12. Well-being of most people in Palampur depends on dash of the farms. Options. Option A, distribution. Option B, inputs. Option C, production. Option D, hard work. Correct answer, option C, production. Explanation. Higher farm production means more income, more jobs, and better living conditions. So, the well-being of people in Palampur depends mainly on farm production. Question 13. Dash wheat is sold in the market. Options. Option A, rotten. Option B, surplus. Option C, good quality. Option D, spoilt. Correct answer, option B, surplus. Explanation. Farmers first keep wheat for their own use. The extra or surplus wheat is sold in the market to earn income. Question 14. Dash is the raw form of sugarcane. Options. Option A, jaggery. Option B, blueberry. Option C, strawberry. Option D, blackberry. Correct answer, option A, jaggery. Explanation. Sugarcane is processed to make jaggery. Jaggery is a traditional product made directly from sugarcane juice. Question 15. Land under production can only be increased by converting dash to dash. Options. Option A, fertile lands to cultivable land. Option B, wastelands to uncultivable land. Option C, barren lands to cultivable land. Option D, wastelands to cultivable land. Correct answer, option D, wastelands to cultivable land. Explanation. The total land area is limited. So, land under cultivation can increase only by bringing wastelands under cultivation. Question 16. Dash crops are grown throughout the year in Palampur. Options. Option A, 5. Option B, 1. Option C, 3. Option D, 2. Correct answer, option C, 3. Explanation. Due to good irrigation facilities, farmers in Palampur grow 3 crops in a year instead of 1 or 2. Question 17. Dash tube wells irrigate larger areas more effectively. Options. Option A, effectively run. Option B, expensively run. Option C, electric run. Option D, manual run. Correct answer, option C, electric run. Explanation. Electric tube wells supply water continuously and efficiently. They can irrigate large areas of land compared to manual systems. Question 18. Dash wheels were used for irrigation before electricity. Options. Option A, Persian. Option B, Asian. Option C, African. Option D, American. Correct answer, option A, Persian. Explanation. Before electricity, Persian wheels were commonly used to lift water from wells for irrigation. Question 19. Palampur has a well-developed system of dash. Options. Option A, education. Option B, litigation. Option C, transport. Option D, irrigation. Correct answer, option D, irrigation. Explanation. Palampur has tube wells and modern irrigation facilities, which help farmers grow crops throughout the year. Question 20. Multiple cropping dash the production on a given piece of land. Options. Option A, reduces. Option B, stops. Option C, increases. Option D, decreases. Correct answer, option C, increases. Explanation. In multiple cropping, more than one crop is grown on the same land in a year, which increases total production. Question 21. In Palampur, dash families are landless out of 450 families. Options. Option A, 50. Option B, 150. Option C, 250. Option D, 350. Correct answer, option B, 150. Explanation. According to the Palampur story, 150 out of 450 families do not own land. Question 22. Use of dash has increased due to the Green Revolution. Options. Option A, fertilizers. Option B, fodder. Option C, manure. Option D, crops. Correct answer, option A, fertilizers. Explanation. The Green Revolution encouraged the use of chemical fertilizers and modern inputs to increase crop yield. Question 23. Dash methods have overused land. Options. Option A, classical farming. Option B, modern farming. Option C, traditional farming. Option D, multiple farming. Correct answer, option B, modern farming. Explanation. Modern farming uses high-yield seeds, fertilizers, and machinery repeatedly, which has led to overuse of land. Question 24. Dash is associated with the loss of soil fertility. Options. Option A, White Revolution. Option B, Pink Revolution. Option C, Green Revolution. Option D, Orange Revolution. Correct answer, Option C, Green Revolution. Explanation. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides during the Green Revolution has reduced soil fertility over time. Question 25. Groundwater levels have reduced due to use of dash. Options. Option A, lakes. Option B, tube wells. Option C, ponds. Option D, deep wells. Correct answer, Option B, tube wells. Explanation. Tube wells pump out large amounts of groundwater continuously, which leads to a fall in groundwater levels. Question 26. Labor is hired by dash and dash farmers. Options. Option A, medium and small. Option B, medium and large. Option C, very small and large. Option D, medium and very small. Correct answer, Option B, medium and large. Explanation. Medium and large farmers have more land to cultivate, so they need to hire laborers for farming work. Question 27. Dash is the most abundant factor of production. Options. Option A, labor. Option B, land. Option C, physical capital. Option D, human capital. Correct answer, Option A, labor. Explanation. Labor is the most abundant factor because many people are available to work, especially in villages like Palampur. Question 28. Wages may vary according to dash, comma, dash and dash. Options. Option A, region, crop and machines. Option B, region, farmers and activity. Option C, region, crop and activity. Option D, country, crop and activity. Correct answer, Option C, region, crop and activity. Explanation. Wages change depending on the region, the type of crop, and the kind of work or activity done. Question 29. Dash does not have right over the land. Options. Option A, unskilled labor. Option B, farm labor. Option C, unpaid labor. Option D, skilled labor. Correct answer, Option B, farm labor. Explanation. Farm laborers work on other people's fields. They do not own land, so they have no right over it. Question 30. Wages to small farmers can be paid in cash or in dash. Options. Option A, kind. Option B, money. Option C, check. Option D, food. Correct answer, Option A, kind. Explanation. Sometimes wages are paid in the form of grains or goods, not money. This type of payment is called payment in kind. Question 31. Landless laborers are exploited by dash. Options. Option A, rich people. Option B, traders. Option C, large farmers. Option D, beggars. Correct answer, Option C, large farmers. Explanation. Large farmers often pay low wages to landless laborers because the laborers have no land and few options. Question 32. Minimum wage is set by dash. Options. Option A, government. Option B, trader. Option C, sarpanch. Option D, agricultural minister. Correct answer, Option A, government. Explanation. The government fixes minimum wages to protect workers from being paid very low salaries. Question 33. Modern techniques of farming cause dash. Options. Option A, unemployment. Option B, decrease in production. Option C, effective production. Option D, employment. Correct answer, option A, unemployment. Explanation. Modern machines reduce the need for manual labor, so fewer workers are required, leading to unemployment. Question 34. Small farmers constitute dash of total farmers in Palampur. Options. Option A, 90%. Option B, 75%. Option C, 80%. Option D, 20%. Correct answer, option C, 80%. Explanation. Most farmers in Palampur own very small pieces of land. That is why about 80% of farmers are small farmers. Question 35. Small farmers do not have dash in their production. Options. Option A, surplus. Option B, deficit. Option C, confidence. Option D, help. Correct answer, option A, surplus. Explanation. Small farmers produce mainly for their own consumption. Very little is left to sell, so they do not have surplus production. Question 36. Capital is a variety of dash required in different stages of production. Options. Option A, outputs. Option B, inputs. Option C, funds. Option D, production. Correct answer, option B, inputs. Explanation. Capital includes tools, machines, money, and raw materials, which are all inputs used during production. Question 37. Dash amount of grains is kept for self-consumption by small farmers. Options. Option A, more. Option B, excess. Option C, substantial. Option D, less. Correct answer, option C, substantial. Explanation. Small farmers keep a large portion of their produce for their family's food needs. Hence, a substantial amount is used for self-consumption. Question 38. The rate of interest charged to small farmers is dash. Options. Option A, very high. Option B, low. Option C, very low. Option D, accurate. Correct answer, option A, very high. Explanation. Small farmers often borrow from moneylenders who charge very high interest rates, making repayment difficult. Question 39. Medium and large farmers have their own dash. Options. Option A, income. Option B, savings. Option C, interest. Option D, accounts. Correct answer, option B, savings. Explanation. Medium and large farmers usually earn more from farming. So, they are able to save money, which they use later for farming activities. Question 40. Savings of farmers are used as dash. Options. Option A, capital. Option B, expenses. Option C, income. Option D, salary. Correct answer, option A, capital. Explanation. Farmers use their savings to buy seeds, tools, machines, and fertilizers. Hence, savings are used as capital for production. Question 41. Dash and dash farmers have large land. Options. Option A, small and large. Option B, medium and small. Option C, medium and large. Option D, medium and very small. Correct answer, option C, medium and large. Explanation. In Palampur, medium and large farmers own bigger areas of land, while small farmers have very little land. Question 42. Tractors, cattle, and trucks are examples of dash. Options. Option A, floating capital. Option B, fixed capital. Option C, working capital. Option D, human capital. Correct answer, option B, fixed capital. Explanation. These items are used again and again for many years in production. So, they are called fixed capital. Question 43. Seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides are examples of dash. Options. Option A, floating capital. Option B, fixed capital. Option C, working capital. Option D, human capital. Correct answer, option C, working capital. Explanation. Seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides are used up during one production cycle. Therefore, they are called working capital. Question 44. Making jaggery from sugarcane is an example of dash activity. Options. Option A, small-scale manufacturing. Option B, large-scale manufacturing. Option C, farming. Option D, dairy. Correct answer, option A, small-scale manufacturing. Explanation. Jaggery is made using simple tools, small machines, and family labor. It is done on a small level, so it is called small-scale manufacturing. Question 45. People feed buffaloes with dash and dash. Options. Option A, paddy and bajra. Option B, jowar and rice. Option C, wheat and bajra. Option D, jowar and bajra. Correct answer, option D, jowar and bajra. Explanation. Buffaloes are mainly fed jowar and bajra, which are commonly grown fodder crops in villages like Palampur. Question 46. Dairy, dash, shops and transport are examples of non-farm activities. Options. Option A, small-scale manufacturing. Option B, large-scale manufacturing. Option C, agriculture. Option D, horticulture. Correct answer, option A, small-scale manufacturing. Explanation. Non-farm activities include dairy, small-scale manufacturing, shopkeeping, and transport, as they are not directly related to farming. Question 47. Physical capital can be dash or dash. Options. Option A, raw materials, money. Option B, large capital, small capital. Option C, money, working capital. Option D, fixed capital, working capital. Correct answer, option D, fixed capital, working capital. Explanation. Physical capital is divided into fixed capital, tools, machines, buildings. Working capital, seeds, fertilizers, money. Question 48. Small shops selling eatables are set up near dash. Options. Option A, bus stands. Option B, retail markets. Option C, factories. Option D, shops. Correct answer, option A, bus stands. Explanation. Small food shops are usually opened near bus stands because many people gather there. This helps shopkeepers get more customers and earn daily income. Question 49. Shopkeepers of Palampur buy goods from dash and sell in villages. Options. Option A, retail markets. Option B, local markets. Option C, city markets. Option D, wholesale markets. Correct answer, option D, wholesale markets. Explanation. Shopkeepers buy goods in bulk from wholesale markets where prices are lower. They then sell these goods in villages at a profit. Question 50. dash and dash labor are employed by Kareem in his computer class? Options. Option A. Unskilled, highly educated. Option B. Less educated, skilled. Option C. Skilled, highly educated. Option D. Uneducated, unskilled. Correct answer. Option C. Skilled, highly educated. Explanation. Running a computer class needs people who are trained, skilled, and well educated, so Kareem employs skilled and highly educated labor. Question 51. Transport activities require very little dash and some amount of dash. Options. Option A. Land, capital. Option B. Labor and human capital. Option C. Land and labor. Option D. Land and labor. Correct answer. Option A. Land, capital. Explanation. Transport work does not need much land, but it needs some capital to buy carts, vehicles, or animals used for transport. Question 52. Transport requires dash connectivity of roads. Options. Option A. Average. Option B. Good. Option C. Bad. Option D. Pathetic. Correct answer. Option B. Good. Explanation. Transport can work properly only when there are good roads, which help people and goods move easily from one place to another. Question 53. Dash activities are increasing in Palampur. Options. Option A. Farm. Option B. Non-farm. Option C. Agriculture. Option D. Animal husbandry. Correct answer. Option B. Non-farm. Explanation. In Palampur, more people are now earning from non-farm activities like dairy, shops, transport, and small manufacturing. These activities are growing faster than farming. Question 54. Dash give cheap loans to poor and landless households. Options. Option A. NGOs. Option B. Landlords. Option C. A government program. Option D. Big farmers. Correct answer. Option C. A government program. Explanation. The government started special programs to give low-interest loans to poor and landless families so they could start small businesses and improve their income. Question 55. Dash are places where goods and services produced can be sold. Options. Option A. Homes. Option B. Factories. Option C. Farms. Option D. Shops. Correct answer. Option D. Shops. Explanation. Shops are places where people sell goods and services to customers. They help producers earn money by selling what they make. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep exploring. For worksheets, detailed notes, and test papers related to this topic, visit our website edushree.in. Website link is given in description box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning videos. See you soon in the next lesson.